how to use Ome TV. Now, first things first, Ome TV is a random chat roulette in which you are initiating a video call to a random users or persons. Now, for you to be able to use that, just simply pull up any web browsers that you preferred. Right now, I'm using Google Chrome for this tutorial, and then head directly to ometv.com. And from here, you can choose either to log in using your Facebook through a Viki account, and then if you scroll down on this website, you'll have to read the terms and the rules for this website first for you to be able not to get banned. You can also use, or you can also try to use this using your mobile phone. It's either an Android device or through your Apple device. If you're using an Android device, just simply click on Get on Google Play. And then if you're using an iOS or Apple device, just simply download it on the App Store. Now, all I have to do once you're logged in is just simply click on Start if you already installed or connect your camera and your built-in microphone. Just simple as that. That's how to use Ome TV.